Nighttime is the best time to relax and get rid of all the energies of the day. So this simple and quick exercise I do every night before bed, and then I play my meditation. So just relax, breathe in and out, and as you're breathing in and out, just let go of all the fears and worries and doubts. All that you've absorbed today, imagine it releasing your body. Then imagine heaven's energy or pure energy going into your head, through your body, cleansing, and down through your feet into the ground as you're connecting once more with nature, which will bring balance to your body. So as you just keep feeding this flow of energy through your body, mending your body, letting go of all the negativity or the build-up that's in your body, feel it being released. Then take the energy from the earth through your body into your aura. This is the energy around your body where all your problems, your fears, your doubts, your worries are trapped. So feel as they are being cleansed with white energy and released into the world. Then imagine yourself with a white light around your body as you seal up the body for the night time, and waterfall around that so that no negativity can be absorbed at night. This simple technique will just help you to get into the relaxing position. So then, I love myself, keep repeating in your head, and I am peace, to get yourself into a state of relaxation. You can also do my sleep meditation to really get the body to relax, or my next meditation which cuts the emotional ties, cleanses you in nature, which is about 10 minutes long, and you will feel lovely and relaxed. Play some relaxing music either before or after this, and you will find that you'll just sleep soundly. Morning cleanse is so important because you've had the night time of the body fixing and it's ready to let go. So this is the time that you can either do the miracle meditation, or you can do the simple process of letting go of any emotions. Your brain will be giving you thoughts and ideas for the day of what to let go of and what to release and what to do to get the body moving. So just help it. So just breathe in and breathe out, and just let go of any residue or emotions, or let the brain know that you will deal with any thoughts and ideas in the morning, and just let go of them. Imagine putting them into a box, and then imagine yourself in nature, and the sun, the moon, the wind, all the elements, maybe a raging fire, all the energies of these coming into your body and releasing and letting go and getting you balanced. And then imagine yourself as a tree and ground yourself. And then maybe think of some good thoughts or play some nice music in the morning to get you going, get your energy going for the day. And you'll find that your day will be easier. Source daily routine new. Just relax. Let go of all your fears and worries and doubts. This is the time for you to connect with the source and let go of all your emotions that you're holding on to. So take a deep breath in. Imagine golden light going into your nostrils and into your body, throughout your body, clearing away all the negativity from your body. And as you release it, let it flow into a pot at the side. So breathe in 3 or 4 more times. Enjoy this energy going around the body as you're letting go of all the negativity that's trapped in your body. Then just imagine yourself at a waterfall. Use your 5 senses. Hear the birds. Smell the green grass, the fresh grass. Feel the waterfall as you step in it and get a cleanse. Become one with the energy of the waterfall. Don't need to taste the waterfall unless you fancy it, but feel really one with this area. Then open your hands out towards the sky and ask for the energy of the waterfall into your hands. As it builds up, imagine at the side is a transparent box. Pour all the energy from the waterfall into the transparent box. Then imagine the wind's energy. Feel the wind's energy around your hands, building up in your hands, asking for the energy of the wind. And when it gets too heavy, pour this into the transparent box. Then you see the sun is shining. Feel the energy on your body of the sun as you feel one with the sun. Ask for the energy to build up in your hands and then pour that into the transparent box. Then you see a raging fire. Imagine the raging fire is by the side of the stream where the waterfall is, with all big logs. Go and feel the warmth of this energy. Ask for the energy of the fire to build up in your hands and pour that into the transparent box. Then just imagine yourself flying or bounding towards the sea. A bit of a sea storm. Feel the energy of the sea storm building up in your hands as it really regurgitates the bottom of the sea and cleanses the inner parts of your emotions. Feel the energy of this and go back to the transparent box and pour that into the transparent box. Then, as it starts to become night, you see the moon in the sky shining bright as a full moon. Feel the emotions leaving your body. Ask for the energy of the moon to build up in your hands and then pour that into the transparent box. By the side of the waterfall there's a big oak tree. Go and sit with the oak tree and imagine yourself like an oak tree. Ground yourself with deep roots going out of the bottom of your feet. Any worries and fears, give them to the earth as you pass them through your feet into the ground. Feel as you become one with the earth and with everything around it, the waterfall and everything. Feel as you start to become one. Ask for heaven's energy to come into your leaves or into your head and flow through your body. Ask for unconditional love to come into your heart and flow through your body as now you become one with yourself. Repeat in your head, I love myself 10 times. I love myself. This is getting the connection that your body needs to become one again. And 10 times, I am peace. I am peace. Feel as the energy of peace is flowing through your body as you become peace and you become love. I am peace. Then imagine the energy as you step inside the transparent box. Feel the energy of all the different elements and you being one as well, adding to the energy. Feel the source coming from your heart, going straight into the ground as you become one with everything. We're going to put in some lovely words to get your vibrations flowing again. Abundance, unconditional love, peace, harmony. Anything you feel that you would like to bring peace to, you can mention at this moment. Then imagine yourself as all the ties to the past, all the ties to the future, and all the ties to the people and the places that you have been to are being cut away by your soul. Feel them from your back and your stomach and your heart, all the emotional ties that's holding you and causing you to not being able to relax as your mind overworks. Feel this wonderful energy as you release yourself from all the burdens and all the worries and the fears. Send unconditional love and peace down all of these lines to all your families, your friends, places you've gone, to all the souls that are still trapped to try and learn lessons on your behalf. Ask all your souls, all the aspects of your souls to come back as one as you take your power back, as you now are powerful and not feeding anybody around you to give you lessons anymore, as you're becoming one with the source. Feel out the bottom of your feet, spreading your energy to everything in the world as you merge and become one with everything. Now you start to flow with nature's energy and flow with everything around you. As you merge, you can feel that you're part of everything, and so no longer separate. No longer illusions will appear as you're flowing with the energy that can attract anything. Money is energy, unconditional love, all these wonderful things are part of you now. And so we just stay one and at peace. Imagine inside as you ignite the source that's within you. Feel the energy expand all throughout your body, throughout your feet and through your head, into all your aura around you, cleansing all your aura of all the ideas and illusions and thoughts that you've held on to, cleansing all the way around you. Then imagine white light sealing, check all the aura to make sure that it's all nicely sealed and there's no cracks as you fix them. Then we put a big white light round us, like a bubble, around the beautiful energy that we've created. Then we imagine a waterfall around so that any negativity will be cleansed before it gets to us. Know that we don't need to attach to people anymore. We don't need to worry or fear, as we now become one in the source's energy. Any time that you want to just have a quick cleanse, just imagine yourself stepping back into the box. Let go all your emotions into the pot outside and step in and get the cleanse in once more. Any time throughout the day that you feel that you're not flowing, imagine yourself flowing down the river as you become one once more. As you allow the flow of the energy to take you on your path. Just surrender and allow now your path to show as you're part of everything. And now you will start to enjoy life as you feel this wonderful energy flowing through you, attracting abundance, attracting unconditional love, attracting the source and peace into your life. Just relax and enjoy for the moment this energy. Feel all around you as you're part of everything, as you become one. Feel all the joy that you can now have through being this energy. Thank you for sharing. Sleeping meditation. In your own time, take a breath in, and as you breathe out, let go of all your worries and fears and all the things that you have to do of the day. Imagine them going into the box at the side. So do this 4 or 5 times, and as you let go, just feel your body getting lighter and lighter as you're letting go of everything that you had to do today. Now go to your feet and feel your feet quite tense. Feel as they change to being lighter as you let go of what you're holding on to. Start to feel them getting a little bit tired, the feeling that they are ready to go to sleep. Then move this energy up to your knees. Feel the tense in your knees and let go of being tense. Feel it starting to become tired as you're starting to feel they like to relax in your knees. Go up to the reproductive area and feel how tense it is there and let go. Feel the change as you're starting to feel tired sensation in that area as you're letting go of the day. Then move up to the stomach area. Let go of all the emotions from the stomach area. Feel the tenseness in your stomach as you relax and let go. Feel the tiredness in your body as you replace it. Then go to the heart area. Feel the heart area being tense. Let go of the tenseness and feel as you feel tired in this area. You're allowing your body to relax and let go of all this tension of the day. Go up to your throat area. Let go of all the communication, all the thoughts and ideas that you haven't said, and know to leave them for another day. Feel how tense it is and let go of this tension. Feel it getting tired as you're feeling of being relaxed and preparing yourself for going to sleep. Then go to your third eye. Relax all your third eye and know that anything for the future will bring peace. And so let go of the tension in your third eye. Change it to one of feeling relaxed and tired. And then go to the top of your head and feel all the tension in your head and let go and feel the tightness in your head. Now it's time for you to go sleep. Program yourself that you'll have a good night's sleep and that you feel relaxed and ready for sleep. Just imagine yourself at your favourite place, whether it's the waterfall or in the meadow or in the woods, by the beach, and just feel as you're relaxed and feel as your body is relaxed and know this is a time that it's time for relaxation, time for you to sleep. Imagine yourself falling deep asleep and having a wonderful sleep.